Welcome to Patrick Cadillac. Congratulations on your new vehicle purchase. My name is Shane. I've been here for about 15 years. I'm one of the service advisors here. What we're going to do is a quick overview of our service department. This is our sales floor, and I'll walk you guys up. When your vehicle is ready for its first service, you're going to be pulling into our drive here. These doors will open, and we'll take a walk on inside. So we're now in our service drive. This is where your vehicle is going to be pulled in to be worked on. Myself or one of the other advisors will come out and meet you at your car, gather some information and walk around your vehicle, and then take you on to the service desk to get the vehicle paperwork started. Your first visit here at the dealership will take about an hour. It does include an oil change and a multi-point inspection on the car. We're going to also wash the vehicle and vacuum it for you. You have an option to wait here in our lounge. We do have snacks, Wi-Fi, and coffee available. Or you do have the option to take a loaner vehicle overnight. Anytime you're ready to schedule that appointment, just give us a call.